What's going on, Unstoppable family? So today's video is not so much of a positive one, but it's something that you need to take a listen to just to see, because this disease can affect any one of us at any given point in time. Now, the son of the famous world-known singer Bob Marley, the king of reggae, his son Julian Marley spoke out today about losing his daughter. Now, previously, a few months ago, Julian posted to his Instagram platform where he was asking for a cure for the disease cancer. Now, at the time, he didn't disclose that the person affected was his very own daughter. But in today's live stream, Julian revealed that he lost his daughter to cancer. Now, take a listen to the video that he posted a few months ago asking for a cure and the things that Julian had to say.
Right now, we are in LA and looking for some answers, for some medical issues for a family member, And I'm just upset that we live in a great world, where so much scientists and so much doctors and nobody has answers, Nobody has answers, but yet you pay all of this money for our insurance, health insurance and all kind of things. You know what I mean? The sickness is in combination with the cure. That means them have the answer for all sickness, but it's a money game. And right now, you touch my can.
Now, people, let's take a listen to what Julian had to say. The video that he revealed today about losing his daughter to cancer.
Really giving an insight to what has been happening with me over the last year, I would say. We had, I canceled a couple tours recently. And as those of you who have been watching and paying attention to my Instagram, I posted something in June where I was talking about cures for glioma, which is cancer. You know what I mean? Actually, it has taken a lot for me to even come and even speak, openly to the fans out there, Yeah, it's even hard for me to even repeat what has been going on. But I have lost my daughter to cancer, you understand? So this cancer that we've been talking about, it was my daughter, And yes, so at this moment, it is a life changer. It is just something to check yourself. Everyone check, not yourself for cancer, but yourself, because, for me it's deeper than just, it's just something, it is more than that to me. It is, you attack my father, it has attacked my father, which is a fit man that, all of a sudden, So we don't know what it is, but we know, anything which is, any sickness, any negativity, any oppression, any wickedness of the devil, that is negativity, you understand? Because just said the earth is a fullness, is a Lord and the fullness thereof, the law and the fullness thereof. That means everything is here upon the earth, And we live in these inner cities, which is Babylon construct the city. Make sure everything with them give you can't get nothing, you can't even plant a fruit tree for yourself. See? So, every day we're being fed by their food, their water, every single thing. You can't even get away if them for mash up the earth, you can't even get away, because them control the water system. So if you bathe and you get you get the wrong water, So for me, being, yeah, it sucks. It really sucks. More than suck, it's a tribulation upon the earth, and cures is there, but the main thing is the people. People have to stand up and speak for the rights. You have to speak for your rights. You understand how much more years? And there's plenty of people that got through what I got through. I am just one to experience again, you know what I mean? An experience even through my father, 40 years when I was 5 years old. Bang, And here we go again with a little youth where it still don't make no sense to me. It don't have make no sense, What I know is the plant is the cure, see? And I'm gonna fight against this blood clot plant here where we know it's a freedom. And we, not just a herb, but you have a whole heap of million of plant. Right now, if you walk outside in your garden right now, you can't even find one thing to drink or eat. You can't even find a mint tea bush. You understand? Yeah, money can't buy life. Life is life. The earth is the life. Jah is the life. You know what I mean? And everywhere you run to, it's Babylon system. See? So you have to kind of, you have to kind of stand up for your rights, and anything which you're doing, do it pure. See? So if you're a doctor and you study doctor, you don't come underneath the system, because the system, it's a money-making game. See? It's a money-making game out there. And we come for burn down our system. Right now we have some terrible music. Right now some dreadful music coming up. You understand? And it's not even say it's ready, but we have been cultivating it right now. You see, because I understand what has been going on. You understand? And it's been a year since I found out about my daughter, and then we've been trying a lot of stuff. A lot of fake people came in play just because they want to associate themselves with, people. And a lot of other kind of, people, doctors and other people that don't really have nothing to say. They say, oh, there's something, but when they tell you about some things, like 20 things or 30 things, them come and tell you. And then you're still confused. So, but they know the answer, and we know the answer. So in this time, Jah is on top of all things, seeing, and, the more them attack the children of the Almighty, the more earthquake and lightning and thunder is coming on, seeing, because the earth is vexed, as Bob Marley said, the earth vexed, seeing, and one thing them can't stop is with Jah send, seeing. So every man and woman, child, everybody have to make sure so your heart, your soul and your heart is clean, see, because you get me. For me, this is my earthly, spiritually reality check, which means, okay, as a little child, you enter the kingdom of Zion without the judgment. You don't even have to talk to God about nothing. You just say, come in. You just say, come inside. Any little child goes inside free of charge. We, the adults, you get some charge. See, that won't lie. So the music, what we say is reggae music, what we say we not change it for nothing. See, I have a lot of people thinking like, say, reggae music is going down, and no, it's being held down because why? Reggae music is this conscious music, and it's the reality music, and it's the music which will burn all pollution out there. Like how Peter Tosh say also. You know what I mean? So right now, all we do is get even more vexed in Babylon with the situation. You know what I mean? And, you've seen some recent posts. Those posts were done before anything has happened. You know what I mean? And even the music is spiritual. So when you see me out there playing the music, that is the works of the Almighty. So that is where I'm comfortable. I'm comfortable with you guys. Not you, there's no guys out there. With you, the people. We are happy to be there with you, the people. And that is where we feel, when we can spread this message that Jah give us. you know, the works is being done. You know what I mean? And if we're not doing the works is not being done. So that's why we come to you, you know. And yeah, it's just to let you know what has happened to me. This is the first I've even spoken out like this. And yes, we was in Romania, France, everywhere, but now we're universal, because it's a spiritual flow, my brothers and sisters. See? Rastafari, blessings to Africa, Congo, everyone. Yes, yes, blessed love to everyone and all the fans that have been supporting the music and keeping it live and keeping, you know, the spirit going. I want to tell you, so it's only more and more. You can't hide this fire, because the fire burning. You can't hide fire. Fire burn through things, you know what I mean? Water you can try, not even water you can contain. And the fire, no water can put out this fire, you know what I mean? And you say, you know what I mean? So, uplift yourself, you know, spiritually, because to me this is a spiritual upliftment. And if I was deep before, I'm even deeper now in Rastafari, because we know the consciousness. We have been studying all this consciousness and all these teachings from all along, you know what I mean? So in these times we don't want no folly workers, we don't want iniquity workers, we don't want negativity. And anyone that's out there which is, you know, people that are not real people of our people, you know what I mean, don't say nothing. See? And if you are our people, say everything. Because this is the media, it's open world. You have friends and foes and everybody. But we don't really deal with foes, because the fire is there for that. See? We deal with the righteousness and the justice. See? Yeah. Lamb's bread is good. Yeah, leave off the e-cigarette, as them say, no e-cigarette. I never start with that at all. It's old school, old fashioned, spliff. See? So, as we say, the music, you know, from I released this album, which is called As I Am. I released this album under this whole knowledge. You know what I mean? So, you know, obviously, yeah, I couldn't promote, I couldn't do nothing. I have to deal with my daughter, you understand? And I put every single thing there, you know, spiritually, physically, into trying to heal, you know? But trying to heal yourself in a Babylon, one of the worst things you can try though. You know what I mean? That's like somebody that you run to, the man will come, a man come for get you. And you run out and run to him partner and say, hey, someone's trying to get me inside. And I am bridging. So you run from the man and you go to him bridging. So we know this is a consciousness. We want some real doctors out there. We want some real people out there who really loving humanity and loving, you know what I mean, loving one another. The fake thing not gonna work. You hear that? Yeah, we burn out that. We burn out corruption. You know what I mean? You hear Capitan say burn. It doesn't have to be a physical burn. It's a burn as in, it's a spiritual burn. And it's not we are gonna light the fire. The fire where we are really attacking, our Jah light them fire there. Just like you see the hurricane come and the waters come. And we have to just praise Jah, and hopefully we ask for guidance and you know, security and his way. You know what I mean? That is the reality, my brethren and sisters. So uplift yourself, consciousness, you know what I mean, is what it is. And what them do, them get the children of Jah vex. And it's not really vex, it's not a negative vex. It's the lions them are awake, you know. Roar, you know what I mean? And lions roar, that's what they do. You know what I mean? And even like Christ him come through the lineage of King Solomon and King David, through the lineage, you know, the conquering lion. So him never come, him come is roaring. You know what I mean? And we is just representing, you know what I mean, the King of Kings of all creation. You know what I mean? Yeah, them say the mother of Christ is related to King Solomon and King David also. Yeah, I mean, so that means say Christ's mother is, and then come right back down to Rastafari. So it's the same exact lineage. See, so we don't have nothing for sus about, or we know what we're talking about, and we know so them are all along the righteousness, and we don't. Yeah, this is not the time, we know. Yeah, fire time, put it that way. We're not partial. See, this is judgment, we're not partial. See, so love to everyone, Rastafari, every time. See? And there's no doubt in anything, see? No doubt.